Hey guys, so we are gonna be managing, or trying to at least, make this Carl monster bus float without using the hover thing that you might see up here. Yep, you see that? Without using that, without making it do this, we are gonna make it hover. First, I want to grab the physics gun. Do that, not too high, just so I can fit under, and then freeze it. I'm gonna grab a vehicle thruster. Maybe these will make it work. Oh. Whoops. I'm just gonna destroy that in a few minutes. Alright, let's just see if these work. They might. Keep your hopes up. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay. Alrighty. I'll play 2 right there. Let's see if these would work. Okay. You see them all turning up? Gonna back up so I have space to go. Alright, will these help make it flow? I think we need more. Put an M in the comments if you think we need more. Alright, I'll give it 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Most of you probably put an M in the comments. So, we're gonna put more. I made it closer this time so I can add stuff like in here. Should work, I'm hoping. This should work without a doubt. Literally. That is what I'm thinking right now. I mean, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be upset. I mean, look at how many I've placed. Yeah, I have one right there. Look at that. Maybe I have another good idea. What if I placed one right here? And then on the back, I'll figure out an area to place. Ooh, that's an amazing idea. Planks. Placed planks. Can I not place them? Dang it. Way goes on. Way goes on. Yay! We did it! Okay. Let's see if this thing works. Oh, look at all those. Oh my gosh. It doesn't work. We need to add more. More. And I had an idea of placing there. I've tried this before, but not with the monster bus. Okay. I think we're gonna need like 3 million of these to make this thing flow. It's huge!